Alright guys, while I'm waiting on Ben to come here to work on the Firebird, figure I'll start on my injectors. I already did the left bank. I'm gonna start on the passenger bank today. Going with just stock standard FJ315. So I already got the cover off. Gonna get to it. Just 2 bolts. Got the one crossover for the fuel rail. Update you in a bit. And just like that, 2 8mm bolts there and there. T20 for fuel rail. That's it. And pop these injectors out. Got these clips. These were eBay specials. And swap over to the stock ones. Should take probably about 15 minutes. I just got done putting the injectors in. Main problem was starting. It would hesitate, but once it's running completely fine. So, find out. Nope. Check the leaks. So far, it's always good. Coolant temp 102 now. Truck has 198 on it.